So generator started up on with just a few pulls, not really that hard. I like that it's not battery powered. It's not super efficient, but it's an emergency generator. Had to switch out for natural gas on your orifice. Got the quick disconnect facing the right way so that this pops out and your female's on this side. Shut off here. And pretty satisfied. It'll work well for long-term storage and only pulling out when I need it, which will be very rarely, hopefully. Generator costs $400, so a pretty sweet little gig compared to what I had before.